If you've been curious about Retell AI and how it handles business calls, this video will explain everything you need to know. By the end, you'll understand how Retell AI voice agents operate and whether they could be useful for your business. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech insights. Retell AI is an advanced platform that creates human-like voice agents to automate business calls. Unlike traditional automated systems, Retell AI doesn't just follow rigid scripts. Instead, it uses artificial intelligence to understand context, handle interruptions, and respond naturally, making conversations feel more like a real human interaction. Businesses can use it for lead qualification, appointment scheduling, answering FAQs, or providing customer support without adding extra staff. Here's how it works. First, you set up your AI agent by providing scripts or prompts, training it on your business-specific information, and customizing its voice and tone. The AI then uses natural language processing and voice synthesis to carry out calls in real time. During these calls, it can recognize keywords, understand the flow of conversation, and even redirect or escalate complex inquiries to a human agent when needed. This makes Retell AI ideal for handling repetitive, structured conversations efficiently. The benefits are clear. Retell AI can operate 24/7, reduce wait times for customers, and ensure consistent responses every time. It's especially useful for businesses with high call volumes or small teams looking to scale without hiring additional staff. However, setup requires some technical know-how, and pricing is based on usage, so businesses with heavy call traffic need to plan accordingly. In short, Retell AI works by combining AI voice synthesis with natural language understanding to create voice agents that sound human, respond intelligently, and automate business calls. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights and guides. Thanks for watching.